Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add free shipping below the price. So, if you're looking to easy video guideline to add free shipping below the price in your Shopify online store, then you can continue this video. So, let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store, and right now I am on the shop page or all collection page, and here I wanted to show the free shipping under the price. So to do this, I am going to my Shopify admin panel. Here is my Shopify admin panel. Then click on the online store. Now click on the three dot icon, click on the edit code, and in the search file search cart and open cart product.liquid file. Then scroll down, find this line of code, render price product cart class. So just copy this code and find it. For example, let me find, looks here. So you have to copy this line and click on the Ctrl F from your keyboard, then you will find this code. Okay, then create little bit space here, and now we have to add some code. Here is the code that I'm going to use right now. So you have to copy this code from my website. I'll share the code links in the video description so that you can easily go to my website and copy this code, and you can do this easily. Okay, so just going to copy and paste it right here, then click save. Asset save. Now refresh or reload this page. Wow, it's working. Free shipping worldwide is added. We can add this line of code under the price, under cart information. Okay, so just cut this code and add it here. Save. Asset save. Now refresh or reload. Wow, it's working right now perfectly. So I hope you understand the easy process. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.